Hi everyone. Let's talk about what happens when a customer says to you, I just placed an order, but I don't need it for 3 months. Can you hold it for me? All right. I say no. If that's what the message is, I tell people I don't hold orders. And the reason for that is that for myself, I have learned that it's difficult to keep track of things that are sitting in my house or the order is sitting there for 6 weeks or whatever the timeline is. I also don't like having open orders sitting there for that long. I don't enjoy it. The way that Etsy is working now, the longer the processing time, the more likely they are to give your shop the stink eye and to start paying attention to the fact of, why are you not shipping things as fast as usual? So if a customer orders something and then asks me to hold it, I tell them I don't hold orders. So if you'd like me to cancel it, let me know and you can reorder closer to the time. Or I can just send it and you can store it. It's not difficult to store. I give them a little information about storing things. And usually they say, fine, go ahead and send it. Now, if you are open to storing things for people and being their storage facility, which I am not, then you need to tell them that you're going to have to extend the processing time on it and tell them how long you can do that before Etsy will start penalizing you. You can extend the processing time on an order once. One time, right? So don't do it for a week and then think, oh, I'll do it again at the end of the week. Extend it for the longest time that you can. And that way it'll give you the biggest cushion of time that you can work with. Now, the reason that I don't store things is it's too easy to forget things. It's too easy to let things slide and forget them. And it's not worth it to me. And I've learned this the hard way through doing wedding cakes when brides would send me like toppers and decorations they wanted me to bring with them. It's just a lot to keep track of. So I don't like having anything on my plate that's open. I just say I will not store things, and that's how I handle it. If you have a different way of handling it and you want to leave a suggestion in the comments, do that. In the meantime, give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you later.